Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Buon nagi samla puli jong kanika jella kidon kasap kapong Lamangkyrpang. Henry ka Jingè ka bakia kendo kadai ka Jingbom don ki babatin Lynti. Nagaliang unong san Hima ulahiar banya kendo ya uwe ni kisamla puli ubadang puli ya ka kelas 11 ha St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang. Ubada ka Jingbatin Lynti jong ka Vice Principal ka Sister Cecilia Kujur. Ulayo kalat ban penpau perthai ya kasap ka baudan ha ka jella bat kari barok kawe. Habaya kuren bat uni usamla ya ubalatip kerteng kum Lamangkyrpang lengdo maunai. Ula penpau da ka jingkmen banyo ya kalat ban leja benta Second 9 National Level Exhibition and Project Competition 2022. Kabadai hapo ke Inspired Awards mana kabalapan long hanong ba Delhi. Ka sinjam kabanengkong kaba uni usamla usdang kadai lang ba ka jingpen bana hapo school. Balada don ki samla ki bakwa ban pen pau perthai ya kasap ka bagi don kin tho bat ai shekidong pet school. Bad Lamangkyrpang ru udai uwei nagi babun ki khna ki balapha. Bad hadian bagi lapet ya kata kasam ka baudon ulayo ban mi khmat ya ka district ya ka jilla bad upai ru shadu ka national level ka ba mentaru udai uwei nakin riu phongot ki khna ki baha ban mi khmat ya ka ri shaki wei pat kiri ka perthai. Uni usamla ula ai kublai kerpang ya baro ki balaya don mentalang batu ha kalenti ya jongu bat ban kershan ya u ba un yo kalan ban mi syakmat ban pen i ya laga jong kasam. Ula kenturu ya ki para samla bakim dai bandu jingkermen na ka jingdung Henry ka Jingtrei Shitom bat ka Jingïaishah kadai ka Lynti ban poisha ka Jingjop.
Ka keteng jenga dai Lamangkyrpang do monai ngadai no po Eastern West Kasi Hills District Mairang ta ngasong sai po Mairang ta ngai school ha ni school St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang nadu muswa mangarang dan hakarta badang sansdem ai gitu. Nah idea ta kabang yo ta kadai no po kaptai kadai no jing post new ta kataru kamdai re ba ong ba post new re yap perkat komisine kum sepo Mairang kadai jaka bakret ta kam jencaru ingi ba kamdai tang no po Mairang rei dengan train po borok Meghalaya ta kan jenjari ngi kena school ban rekeng duty tengah perkat kan ni kedau ba kan den kata solve kata ka kumke problem ke boong ba problem solve ta ya kan niru kam dere boong ba ngada perkat kenang bangan sina de kan ni duty ta asu hakajing post new kawan ta ngaru dak kata kajing post new ke bawan ngapen wonder yang ta kini kalat ke ba ngayok bon sim di mentah kini kan supaya menak dealing ba ke school ta nak mentah ke school hi ngai ke belai ba kelong kelajit kerpang ingi ba ban selek na kita kena ban selek kata ban selek kita kena ban lej kata ka inspire menak ta ingi kena ngimla ban produce borok ya ke ba kum model ta ngila tang ban ai tang ka idea ta na to ka idea ngi selek ban lej po district level dan ke district level ke state dan state level pun ngpoi po ke national level kini idea ke bang sinanga kedi ke 2 in 1 shoe ta ngila ban ponge ka kum ke slipper bet kum ke juti
sila ban peni kum lo kalau
ta kini ke jingsna ke ba ka idea ke bang yo ngata kedi tang manjula do music ta kum kini da kini ke dijiu ta ngila ban pong kum ke slipper ta tetap kum kini hi dan penat yang duzep ta ngila ban pongkum juti kibang lali present ke school dari kawai ya ke district level ta kawai ke state level hang tai hapo scout senggat Shillong ta kawai ya ke kawai po Guwahati sport IIT ya ke workshop ta kebat ke final put ke di sport Delhi ya ke national level hoat ka aimen simi ta ngatrai ki wairu ki bayu i ya kini ke jingle ta ngatrai ki makiru ki yohi ta kawairu nyaban bu ke jingduai kerpang ban ilade ta ban ai ngu ru oblei ta lingbo klemu uru ngaru ngamla hi marwai bangan le ya ni
te like na kan ni ke jingsna la ke jingsu juti ke ipat try ki ba pipis ngok tanat ban
ba ngang sung tanat ban le ta banga ko atrang reu kadi ko fashion designer ba ai men si minga ta ko wei na school ru ko ba kamjur ta na yang sam ta lingba isisto sisiru ujui ta manaboro ki ba paramarjan ki perlok ki ba ye ki jing ki ba kendo ngata kadai khajingsna khajingsna ru mawaj ngapai arab ya ini iba sa ia jan snong ta ngapai arab i ya model ta kum khajing ko ngapat kelong tang kebang kwa de ban improve ke model ta abdong kam kinong chna ki babed ta kawairu ya kitar kiba kamlong biang man penbahadar ya kani model jonga jing tu ngai parak na puli ta kedai ba om tang babe nya bas bala om tang bastan bala ban le kani hendrei wat ki babe ne ki bam don jing sepang eru kila ban le kani hendrei lingba ka jingtri Shitom di mat ka jingjai doi ta katahi ka bala ban urlong ya ka ai hem kili biang
tentu sudah tahu pi
ta nangi boro ngidan kumba khandai ngut ai ta nyungut na po garuhels ta arngut ngi wei manganang ni na po kasihels ta wei na po Jingtrei hills ka message ka bangan ai nga te ka dei ka wei ba baro khna school ngidon ni kata sap ka phong la ki jong ta ngidi ban pen pau ka ai ka ba ngi ngidon halade ta om tang ban sin bore hi halade re ngim dei ru ban tieng ne ban le ai ta ngidi ban rat jing khong gi ne ki jing tieng ki ba ngi ngidon halade ta kum kawai ngangala ngangas kabang sedang ka di kaya ka inspire manak ta ngayo ka jingkermen nakani ka inspire manak hi ta kaba kala enga ben kitio ta kum ka imlang salang jingiru oi
Habayakren bat ka Vice Principal Jongka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang ka Sister Cecilia Kujur kala ong kum ka school ka thrang ban penmi ya ki khna puli ki badan ka sap bakin kiu shakman kalaya thuru ba Lamangkyrpang udai ukhenna ubadan kasap kababiang henry udan kamban yo kalan ban mi shakmat ban penpau kani kala penlong ya ka bakan shem ya ka sinjam bat ban ailad ya u ba un shem benta shaki je ko ba pher ki ba menta ulong kadak jong ka jing ngau sarong ya ka school ka district bat ka jilla barok kawe Lamangkyrpang menta undai uwe na kinriu pongut ke samla na kari barok kawe ba unlet ban mikmat ya kari sa Japan bat menta udang ap ya ka jing pentip na kinong penyat lanu ken hap ban len.
Actually, I feel very proud because especially this year St. Thomas Higher Secondary School is celebrating its Golden Jubilee, and we got an opportunity to take part in the national level Inspire Award Manak, and we got selected. So it is a moment of pride for all of us in the school, and we are really proud of it. We feel very happy. Yeah. Actually, we still throw out to the students if they have any talent to exhibit. Could it be singing, dancing, or writing poems or stories? All these talents to exhibit. But in 2019, when he was in class 9, we got the information that there is an award like Inspire Award Manak, so where the students have to upload only their ideas. So we asked the students to write their ideas and submit to the office, and we got few ideas. We selected some of those and we uploaded it for the competition, and Lamangkyrpang was lucky, his ideas were selected, and then we were informed that his ideas were selected and rupees 10,000 was credited in his account so that he could make a model of his ideas. So after we prepared the model, then we took part in the state level competition, and there he was selected to go for the national level. It's a competition all over the country. There are lakhs of ideas that are given by the students, but only 1,000 ideas are selected, and those 1,000 students from all over the country, they go to the national level, and in the national level, among those 1,000 ideas, only 60 ideas are selected. So Lamangkyrpang's idea is one of those 60 ideas. Actually, he has already competed and he has been already selected among the top 60. So the next step, we are not yet informed. Earlier it was told that they will be visiting a foreign country, maybe it could be Japan. So we do not know. We are very enthusiastic, whichever country it is, but till now we haven't got any information what will be the next step. But if there is any other competition where he has to exhibit his talent, surely the school is ready to send him again. Even this year we have uploaded 5 ideas, because we are allowed to upload only 5. I don't know whether the students will be selected or no, their ideas will be selected or no, but I think it is the school that plays a great role. Students are having ideas, but if the school does not give an opportunity, then the students will not be able to come up to this stage. So I think the school has a great role to play to inspire the students to give their ideas. Actually, wherever there are students, there is an idea, and the students are full of ideas, but we need to give an opportunity, encouraging them to take part in this competition. Even if only 5 ideas are uploaded, the students should give their ideas, because every idea that is conceived in the mind of a human being, it is always meant for the betterment of the world, betterment of the society. So I would say, like, every principal or headmaster, whoever is taking charge of the students, should give an opportunity to the students.